In the auto and transmission repair business, time is money. If you don't have a step-by-step vehicle check-in process, if you've got internal communication issues, or if you're spending time calling around for parts, you're losing money. You need the proven efficiency of AutoShop software. With AutoShop software, the technician, the service writer, the vehicle owner, and the shop owner all benefit from transparent communication. It's easy to use and automates most common tasks, including vehicle check-in, parts ordering, repair estimate preparation, repair order writing, assigning technicians, and taking payments. The Integrated Labor Guide provides job labor times and OEM parts pricing for foreign and domestic vehicle repair and service. We're the tried and proven solution with over 15 years in the cloud. We're compatible with all devices and operating platforms, including Apple, Android, and Microsoft. AutoShop software has optional integrations, including online accounting, online parts ordering, online marketing, online maintenance reminders, online follow-ups, and reviews. Our easy-to-use dashboard gives you quick access to data and key performance indicators essential to running a profitable business. AutoShop software is owned and designed by a 40-year veteran of the automotive industry, and all of our teams live and work in the USA. For a free demo of AutoShop software, go to www.autoshopsoftware.com.